What's the fastest way that you can make $1 billion? Well, you could inherit it. Yep, I think that's the fastest way. Wait. While that's the real answer to the question, that's probably not what you were after when you clicked on this video. What you're probably after is the answer to the fastest way that you can make $1 billion. That answer is far more complicated, and the truth of the matter is that it's likely impossible. The easiest answer to how you could make $1 billion other than inheriting it is simply winning it. In 2016, the Powerball jackpot in the US was $1.586 billion. That's the largest lottery jackpot ever, and while current lottery jackpots are just a fraction of that, it's likely that it will be beaten by a future lottery at some point in time. Now, even with a lottery jackpot that large, the prize had to be split between 3 different people, and with 3 winners, each took away $533 million before taxes. Even winning the largest jackpot in history isn't enough to make you a billionaire, but it is enough to get you close. Now, let's back up for a moment. How many billionaires are there actually in the world? Right now, the answer to that question appears to be about 2,825. That's an incredibly tiny number when you consider that there are currently 46.8 million millionaires in the world, a far more achievable goal. Considering that the world population is 7.8 billion, that means you have a 0.0000362% chance of becoming a billionaire based on current statistics. For reference, you have a 0.0004% chance of being struck by an asteroid and dying. So when you put it that way, becoming a billionaire seems pretty likely. But back to the question at hand. Maybe we can find the answer if we observe how the current array of billionaires made their money. The largest percentage, roughly 14% of the world's billionaires, made their money through investing in finance. This is how Warren Buffett, the 3rd richest man in the world, made his fortune. Roughly 11% of the world's billionaires made their money riding the fashion and retail industry to the top. The Walton family, the founders of Walmart, made their billions by becoming one of the largest retailers in the world. But we can't talk about retail without mentioning Jeff Bezos. Bezos, the founder of Amazon, became a billionaire first in 1999, what seems like an eternity ago now. He was 35 at the time, and it took him just 5 years since the founding of Amazon. That nearly breaks the record, but there's 2 men who became billionaires faster and sooner than anyone else. Mark Zuckerberg is one of those men. At the age of 23, Mark Zuckerberg became one of the fastest billionaires ever. It took him just 1 year to go from 1 million to 1 billion. However, it took him in reality 4 years to become a billionaire since the founding of Facebook, which is close to the current record. But if you do measure from the start of a business to actually becoming a billionaire, the record is held by eBay founder Pierre Omidyar, who accomplished the task in just 3 years. The average billionaire, on the other hand, takes 21 years to amass their fortunes from their start in the business world, which is actually not that long if you really stop and think about it. However, examining the top spots for fastest to 1 billion, Mark, Pierre, and Jeff, the real answer becomes clear. Start an internet commerce business. Jeff Bezos and Pierre Omidyar made their billions through creating a site where goods were bought and sold online. Mark, on the other hand, made his billions in a similar fashion, creating an e-commerce site where the goods being bought and sold were accessed to users' data and the buyers were advertisers. That, of course, being the social media network Facebook. So it seems like the fastest way for you to make 1 billion is to create an internet company, at least in the current day and age. The real answer is that these new billionaires rode the wave of new technology. While it's probably not too late to become a billionaire through an internet company today, the world's next billionaires will likely come through riding the waves of the next new industry, whether that be space mining, cryptocurrency, robotics, whatever it may be. So, the fastest way to make a billion is to start your own company and drive it to being the best place to do business for your industry. A task that's easier said than done.